Mosquitoes are infamous for their itchy, annoying bites that can cause discomfort for hours or even days. However, not all people are equally attractive to these blood-sucking insects. While some people can spend an entire evening outdoor without a single bite, others may become a mosquito's favorite meal within minutes. So why do mosquitoes bite some people more than others? Well, in this episode of Veracity, we will try to find out why it happens with the help of science. So without further ado, let's dive into it. First, it's important to understand what attracts mosquitoes to humans. Mosquitoes are attracted to humans by several factors, including body odor, carbon dioxide, and heat. When we breathe, we exhale carbon dioxide, which mosquitoes can detect from a distance of up to 50 meters. This is why people who exhale more carbon dioxide, such as pregnant women and obese people, are more attractive to mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are also attracted to body heat, as our body emits warmth that can help mosquitoes locate their next meal. Additionally, mosquitoes are attracted to certain chemicals found on the skin, such as lactic acid, uric acid, and ammonia. These chemicals are produced by our sweat and other bodily fluids that can vary depending on an individual's diet, hygiene habits, and genetics. Research has also shown that mosquitoes are attracted to some people than others, and the reason for this is at least partially genetic. A study conducted by researchers at the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine found that genetics plays a significant role in determining how attractive we are to mosquitoes. The study found that certain genes associated with our immune system and odor production can make us more or less attractive to mosquitoes. Another factor that can influence a person's attractiveness to mosquitoes is their blood type. Mosquitoes are more attracted to people with type O blood than any other blood type. This is because people with type O blood secrete more lactic acid and other chemicals that are attractive to mosquitoes. Pregnant women are also more attractive to mosquitoes than non-pregnant women. This is because pregnant women exhale more carbon dioxide and produce more body heat than non-pregnant women. Additionally, pregnant women produce more skin chemicals that are attractive to mosquitoes. Age can also play a role in how attractive a person is to mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are more attracted to older people than younger people, possibly because older people produce more heat and carbon dioxide than younger people. Interestingly, clothing can also play a role in how attractive a person is to mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are more attracted to people who wear dark-colored clothing than those who wear light-colored clothing. This is because mosquitoes use vision to locate their targets, and dark color are easier for them to see. So what can you do to avoid being bitten by mosquitoes? While there is no surefire way to prevent mosquito bites, there are several steps you can take to reduce your risk. First, try to avoid being outside during peak mosquito activity, which is typically at dawn and dusk. You can also wear long-sleeved shirts and pants and use insect repellents that contain DEET or other EPA-approved ingredients. Another effective way to reduce your risk of mosquito bites is to eliminate standing water around your home. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in standing water, so removing sources of standing water such as bird baths, flower pots, and gutters can help reduce the mosquito population around your home. Additionally, there are also some misconceptions about what attracts mosquitoes to bite. For instance, some people believe that mosquitoes are more likely to bite individuals with a high sugar intake and those who consume alcohol. But there is no scientific evidence to support these claims. In conclusion, there are many factors that can influence why mosquitoes bite some people more than others. While some of these factors, such as genetics, are out of control, there are still many steps that we can take to reduce our risk of mosquito bites. By using insect repellents, wearing appropriate clothing, and avoiding areas with high mosquito populations, we can minimize our chance of being bitten. With a little bit of knowledge and preparation, we can all enjoy the outdoors without having to worry about pesky mosquito bites. So, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.